Hello everyone. In this class we will learn the first part of the lamination process. Lamination methods and principles. First, let's understand the definition of lamination. Lamination is the process of covering a plastic film, coated with an adhesive on the surface of a printed product, with heat and pressure, making the plastic film and the printed product adhere together to become a paper or plastic composite processing technology. Here are the 5 common lamination methods in the printing industry, of which dry lamination, wet lamination, and pre-coated lamination are the most widely used methods, and the focus of this class. Let's start with the principle of dry lamination. As shown in the figure above, after the film is unwound, it is coated with adhesive by the coating roller, then guided by the guide roller into the drying channel for drying. After drying, the film with adhesive on its surface is in contact with the printed product. Under the action of the hot roller, the paper and the plastic film are bonded tightly. The adhesive on the surface of the film penetrates into the surface of the printed matter, enabling the two to adhere together and protecting the surface of the printed matter. This is the process flow of dry lamination. The products compounded by the dry laminating machine still need to be cut manually or mechanically. After cutting, the lamination quality of the products is inspected. This is a picture of a dry lamination machine, which is mainly composed of the following 7 parts: the unwind part, the adhesive part, the drying part, the printing product input part, the laminating part, the rewind part, and the control system. The control system is further divided into the control of the drive part and the control of the electric heating part. Now, let's learn about the principle of wet lamination. As shown in the above picture, the film is unwound and then fed through guide rollers to the coating roller for coating with adhesive. The coated film is then directly bonded to the printing product under the pressure and heat of the hot roller. The adhesive on the surface of the film penetrates into the printing product, and the printing product is firmly adhered to the film. The above is the process flow of wet lamination. The pre-coated lamination process is mainly different from the dry and wet lamination processes in that, after coating the adhesive in dry lamination, a drying operation is required, while in wet lamination, the adhesive coated material is directly compounded with the printed matter after coating. This is a physical diagram of a wet laminating machine, which is mainly composed of 6 parts: unwinding section, gluing section, printed matter input section, compounding section, rewinding section, and control system. Finally, let's study the working principle of pre-coating lamination. As shown in the figure, after the film is unwound, it is conveyed to the compounding unit through guide rollers and directly attached to the printed matter under the extrusion and heating of the hot pressing roller. The film and the printed matter are closely adsorbed together. The main difference between the pre-coating lamination process and the dry and wet lamination processes lies in that the film used in pre-coating lamination is a pre-coated film. The gluing step is advanced to the film production process, and the drying step is also eliminated. The main advantages of pre-coated lamination are as follows. First, pre-coated lamination does not require special lamination equipment and can be used with other lamination equipment. Second, pre-coated lamination uses a uniform formula of adhesive with excellent adhesion and lower production cost. Finally, pre-coated lamination eliminates the drying and coating steps, making the process relatively simple and applicable to a wider range of applications. The above are the more common types of lamination in the lamination process. The content of this class is over. Thank you for your participation.